See, we have, now we see regarding the problem of a derivation for a problem. Say, first reduction formula is for the sin nx, which we call. So, in is equal to integral of sin nx dx. The foremost thing for this requires integration by parts, which is a 12th standard basics, integration by parts, which is given by integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v into dv. So the foremost thing what we consider here is, consider in is equal to what? We have taken sin nx dx. How to solve this about it? Yes, I multiply and divide by sin x first. So the major procedure for this is, in will become integral of sin n minus 1x into sin x dx. So that's what. Now to solve this particular thing, we have to use integration by parts. We consider u to be sin n minus 1x and dv to be sin x dx. So now when we integrate dv, we get back v. So my v will be equal to minus cos x. So we have known the formula that integral of sin x is minus cos x. So u is equal to sin n minus 1x. So we have to differentiate this. So du by dx will be equal to n minus 1 into sin of n minus 2x into differential of sin x, which is equal to n minus 1 into sin n minus 2x into differential of sin x is cos x. So this is my du will be equal to n minus 1 into sin of n minus 2x into cos x dx. So now we shall apply the integration by parts formula for this. So integral of sin n minus 1x into sin x dx will be equal to, so first is u. So u is what? Sin n minus 1x. V is minus cos x. Minus cos x. Minus integral of v, that is minus cos x du. So du will be the whole thing, that is du will be equal to n minus 1 into sin n minus 2x into cos x dx. So n minus 1 into sin of n minus 2x into cos x dx. So we have to keep this part as it is. So we have to simplify this particular integrals. Now, so what happens? I consider only this particular part, which is given by what? Plus n minus 1 into integral of sin n minus 2x into cos square x dx. In trigonometry we have cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. So what we shall do? So sin n minus 2x into 1 minus sin square x dx. So now we have to solve here is, so integral of n minus 2x into dx, we have to multiply each. This is n minus 1 plus minus n minus 1 into integral of sin n minus 2x into sin square x dx. So this is my solution. So where I can simplify this as integral of n minus 1 into, we have to use here the basic concept is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we have to add the powers. So sine of n minus 2 plus 2x into dx. So minus n minus 1 into integral of sine nx dx. And here we have n minus 1 into integral of sine n minus 2x dx. So I consider this as n minus 1 into in and n minus 1 into in minus 2. So now we have the original solution for this particular is in is equal to sine of n minus 1x into minus cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2 minus n minus 1 into in. So I shift this in towards left hand side so that I can take the common of in. So in plus n minus 1 into in will be equal to sine of n minus 1x into minus cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So what happens when in is taken common, it becomes 1 plus n minus 1. So both cancels. So we have n is equal to minus sine of n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. This is the basic reduction formula for sine nx dx. So yeah.